Hi everyone, for this video I'm going to be showing you how to install an SSL certificate for your website hosted by Mukhost. First of all, in the control panel, you'll be scrolling down to the SSL/TLS icon and clicking on it. Wait for it to load. Then you will be choosing the Activate Free SSL option and clicking on it. All done, you will then be scrolling down to your force HTTPS and making sure that it's enabled. Once you've completed that, you're all set and ready to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have an awesome day ahead. Don't forget to like and subscribe.